Hello everyone. Welcome back to another session on data science by Gamma's Academy. Till now, we have uploaded the sessions on advanced MS Excel concepts and basic statistics. Today we are going to start to learn the machine learning. So before we proceed, let's try to understand what is data science first of all and what are the things expected from a data scientist. So the data science, if we go as per the definitions, is when dealing with unstructured or structured data. Data science is a branch that is combination of statistics, mathematics, programming, problem solving, capturing data, and the ability to look at the things differently. All those comes under data science. In simple terms, we can say it is the umbrella of techniques used when trying to extract insights and information from data. Meaning, a data scientist has to work on the data, applying various techniques, and he has to come out with insight from the data which is meaningful or some addition to the business. So, a data scientist should have the knowledge of computer science, some knowledge of mathematics and statistics, and he or she should have some knowledge of domain or the business knowledge. Okay, so if you look at this Venn diagram, the computer science, if you have a knowledge on computer science and domain, you are a software developer. You may be a software developer. If you have knowledge on statistics and computer science, you are into machine learning. And if you have knowledge of domain and mathematics and statistics, you might be working as a researcher. And if you have the knowledge of all those things, then you are a data scientist. So, what is the life cycle of data scientist and what we do in our day-to-day work? So, you can see the pie chart over here, which is taken from Crowdflower 2016. So, as per the research from Crowdflower, the 60% of the time a data scientist is spent on cleaning and organizing the data. 19% of the time are spent on collecting data set. Means most of the time we as a data scientist or data analyst invest on data cleaning and collecting the data because that is the huge and major task. Once you are ready with the data set, it's clean and as per your requirement it is ready, then your life becomes easier, and then you need only 3% of time to build training set, 4% of time you refine your algorithms, 9% of time you mine your data set for the pattern, and rest 5% are invested on other things like presentation, brainstorming, and all those things. Okay, don't worry if you do not understand what is training set and refining algorithm, mining data for pattern. We will discuss in our coming videos. So for now, you just try to understand what we do in general. So the required skills are we should have knowledge of some language where we can code our logic like R, SAS, Python, Spark, or any other language where you can apply and build analytics or statistics models. You should have a good storytelling and visualization techniques. In visualization, you can learn Tableau, you can learn Cognos. There are various tools available in the market. You can learn as per the requirement. Then you should have understanding of maths and statistics. So we have covered the basics of statistics in our part 2 session, and we will be covering more statistics as we move forward. Then we should know the machine learning models, and in this series we are starting the machine learning models. So we will learn some basic machine learning models, and in coming videos we will explain the things in details as well with the statistics. Then we should have some knowledge of understanding of database database like MS Excel, SQL, NoSQL, graph database, and so on. So these are the things which are required from a data scientist perspective. We have already covered some concepts of MS Excel in my part 1. I have covered some basic concept of statistics in my part 2, and today we are going to start machine learning models. Slowly we'll move to the Python and R, and after that we will move to the SQL, NoSQL, and graph database. So that's all for the day. I'm very excited to start my machine learning model series, and in the first video we will learn the concept of machine learning and linear regression. So we will see you in the next video. Enjoy learning. Have a nice day.